Idea of a perfect
Blind date.
blind date. I don't believe in blind dates. Yeah, it's too much pressure. Anyway, going on a date is very hectic. So blind dates, I don't think I can ever go on a blind date.
Who do you think is a classic beauty in your head, in your mind?
Right.
Who do you think is the perfect beauty and what signifies?
But I'd have to say an Audrey Hepburn or Wahida Rehmanji or Madhuri Dixit. I think they're just beautiful. I think women, just if you are who you are, and I think a beautiful smile, just the way you style yourself, carry yourself with elegance. I think elegance goes a very long way than anything else. Who's my favorite designer? There's so many. I love Varun Meher. I love Pankaj Vidhi. I love Prabal Gurung. I think these guys are completely amazing.
Who are you wearing?
I'm wearing Sonia Mehra.
Have you ever had any, red carpet fan moments?
Red carpet fan moments. Define.
Probably you being starstruck by looking at someone in the
I always, whenever I see Shah Rukh Khan, I get starstruck.
Right. And what's the strangest thing a fan has ever done for you?
Somebody once walked into my house. They called the guard and they said कि हम कुछ सामान लेके आए हैं. And they came walked into my house and said, I just want to talk to you for like 10 minutes. So I got really freaked out. How could somebody just, enter your house and your private space? So that really freaked me out. It was a girl and a very simple, studious looking girl. So I was just like a little freaked out. That's what even I thought, but somehow she was very convincing with everyone. So I was like, okay. एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या है फेमिना आई थिंक सबसे पुरानी अंग्रेज़ी औरतों के लिए मैगजीन है एंड इट्स ऑलवेज बिन sort of it's propagated beauty, confidence, everything that a modern Indian woman needs. So I think today we're celebrating beauty and beauty awards, and whether it's fragrance or makeup or hair or beauty or whatever, we are I guess giving them credit for what they've done for women all over the years. So मेरा भाई अभी आने वाला है, इस सवाल आप उनसे पूछेगा. आई थिंक मूवी करने में प्रॉब्लम ये होगी कि मैं उनसे पहले रेडी होकर यहाँ पे आ गई हूँ. ही इज टेकन मोर टाइम, सो व्हेन ही कम्स यू गाइस प्लीज रैग हिम अबाउट इट. I like to wish all you single people just like me a very happy Valentine's Day. Oh wow. क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन हो सकता है. इट्स अ ब्यूटी अवार्ड. हम लड़कियां बहुत सारा मेकअप यूज़ करते हैं in order to look beautiful. Every girl likes getting dressed up.
Tanisha, what are you wearing today? Which are you wearing?
I'm wearing Sakshi Pradhan.
And any accessories you follow, any brand, accessory brand you follow right nowadays?
Any accessory brand? Not particularly. I think today a lot of Indian designers are coming up with some good work, and I'm enjoying just trying out different and new designers.
Tanisha, you're looking absolutely stunning in this lab.
Thank you.
सीजन ऑफ लव चल रहा है, वो सवाल मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ. आपका पहला क्रश कौन सा?
Oh, मेरा पहला crush. My first crush was Tom Cruise. Sorry, but I was a huge. I was a typical girl who loved Pink and loved Tom Cruise. He was my all-time favorite.
And what is the idea of your blind date or a date? Perfect date.
Oof. Now the perfect date. We've not date. I've not dated much. I would have to say my perfect date would have to be something adventurous. The gentleman would have to really think very hard and do something very exciting and very out of the box. I don't like all the dinner and flowers and chocolate. That's kind of boring. We cannot afford to eat chocolate. We have to be slim and trim.
And lastly, what's your wish?
Love season, yes, but also World Cup is going to be there from Saturday it starts. So how excited are you for the World Cup?
I watch cricket purely as a spectator sport where I like to cheer, and I like the one-day matches and the 2020 where it gets over quickly and I know what's going on. So that's my limit as much as I know about cricket, but it is definitely a national sport, and I think our Indian team is superb, and we're keeping on getting better, and hats off to them.
Tanisha, who's your favorite designer? Who's your favorite designer? This last one.
Who's my favorite designer? Like I said, currently there are so many upcoming Indian designers and there are so many young people. Tonight I'm wearing Sakshi Pradhan, so I would say tonight Sakshi is my favorite.
Tanisha, we have India-Pakistan match on Sunday, which like everyone is looking forward for. So, what do you have to say about that?
Well, I'm also really looking forward to it, and I hope that India goes and kicks some ass.
Tanisha, lastly, Valentine's wish.
I'd like to wish all the viewers a very, very rocking Valentine's Day. Have a fun time, have an evil time, and have a good time.
तनिषा एक लास्ट सवाल आप तनिषा एक लास्ट सवाल
अरे।
मोदी सरकार का बजट आने वाला बजट से आपके घर की क्या नॉर्मल
as long as budget में मेरा जो गैस सिलेंडर का प्राइस है वो कम हो जाएगा ना, I'll be happy. Thank you.
Tanisha, can you just backpose?
I'll turn it around like that. Tell me. बहुत खूबसूरत expectations हैं. It's a first for Femina and I think beauty awards बेस्ट इन द ब्यूटी बिजनेस को रिकग्नाइज करना उतना ही ज़रूरी है जितना हम सब खूबसूरत फेसेस को रिकग्नाइज करते हैं, बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट्स बिहाइंड दोज ब्यूटीफुल फेसेस अदर देन द इनसाइड ब्यूटी. सो आई थिंक इट्स ग्रेट. आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड. इट्स गोना बी अ ब्यूटीफुल नाइट. ब्यूटी अराइजेज आउट ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, इंटरनल हैप्पीनेस. आई थिंक इसीलिए बहुत एक क्लीशे फेज है, inside out, because it has to come from within first, and then of course the best in the beauty business make it even more beautiful.
Survi, Valentine is down the corner. आपका first crush क्या कौन था?
My first crush was in school when I was in my 9th standard. I dated him for 3 months and then he dumped me.
What is the idea of your perfect blind date?
There is I think for me the perfect blind date is full of imperfections. I think there is more relatability and connection उसके साथ, imperfection के साथ. Perfect would be too boring, it would be too predictable, so I think imperfection makes it more exciting. Yes, I'm very, very excited. Yes, absolutely. I think it's another facet of mine which people are not really aware of. And I'm very, very excited to collaborate with Meet Brothers. They're my favorite. They've been churning out some fantastic tunes for all of us. So it'll be something to watch out for. Cricket. Well, फिलहाल तो एक्साइटमेंट 15th की है इंडिया पाकिस्तान की. मैं अपने घर पे बड़े प्रोजेक्टर पे देखूंगी, बट डेफिनेटली Gambhir and Yuvraj both have played as backbones for our country for very, very long. उनको ना देख के मिस ज़रूर करेंगे, लेकिन आई थिंक ये एक इंकरेजमेंट है फॉर ऑल द यंग बडिंग क्रिकेटर्स कि वो आके परफॉर्म करें, विच इज़ अ ग्रेट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. एंड आई थिंक जब तक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपके कंधों पर पड़ती नहीं है तब तक फॉर मी पर्सनली मैं अंडर प्रेशर ज़्यादा अच्छा परफॉर्म करती हूँ. तो इट विल बी ग्रेट. जी. बजट की एक्सपेक्टेशन हर चीज़ का रेट कम हो जाए सबके लिए सहूलियत की बात है. स्पेशली आई थिंक द लोअर मिडिल क्लास, उनके लिए आसानी हो जाएगी. उनके लिए चीज़ें अफोर्डेबल होना जो हम सब तो इन्जॉय करते हैं, लेकिन certain people can't enjoy that. So my heart goes out and I really, really hope that they benefit most out of all of that. I just answered that question. Valentine Day? Okay.
Miss Malini.
So, that's okay?
Shall I wish?
A very, very happy Valentine's Day. Full of love, full of joy, full of hugs, full of kisses, full of romance. May it be like that all year round and we don't have one day to express love to each other. Thank you.
Last statement. Hi, this is Survin Chawla. You are watching Bollywood.
बस हो गया नहीं नहीं नहीं
Last में क्या दिक्कत है?
What do you want me to say? I think beauty for me is eternal. Beauty for me is eternal. It's something very personal. However, I think it's fun to be a girl because you can use a lot of stuff to enhance your beauty, and I think that's what we're here to celebrate today.